That's why on my stat sheet that I had the 12 months at the first column was last year's average to make sure we have a visible goal of what we have to beat every month. And I'm looking at last year's average, and the only way to do better this year is to make sure that I'm beating last year. And then if I'm not, I have to go down the columns and see what is missing. I've got to go through and find out where the holes are. See, you guys being in the advanced group have to be the ones who understand how to interpret your numbers so you can make adjustments. It doesn't do any good to track your numbers and just look at them if you don't make adjustments. I have to actually use it to set what needs to be fixed for next month. And it could be that I just didn't get enough leads. And we know, and you guys in the advanced group have been around, that I've got to make sure that all three of my marketing areas are being done each month. And when you're tracking your stats, I tell you to track each one of those groups separately. And then for the final at the end of the month, you add them all together. And the reason I like them separate is so I know what the value of somebody coming from a live event versus an internal event versus the internet. Because each one of those have a different ratio of what's considered good or bad.